Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix a GE washer machine which is making noise and shaking during the spinning cycle. Here's the reason why our basket is loose. We just have to adjust this nut again in order to get the basket sitting in place well. To tighten it up, we just need to use a wrench and a hammer. So just hit with the hammer against the wrench till you feel that it doesn't slide it up anymore. Remember, to tighten it up is counterclockwise. Putting the wash plate back, just don't tighten it up too much, just till you feel it's getting hard. Putting the excitator back, these nails have to catch on the wash plate nails. And it's counterclockwise, by the way. Okay, now everything is set back, so just to let you know, you don't have to remove the top on the excitator. Okay, now it's time to test it. As you can see here, the basket is spinning right and no shaking or live noise. I hope this video helped you a lot. Don't forget to follow me for more videos. Thank you guys.